What if I told you that Buddhist monks have used a secret 5-minute morning ritual for over 2,500 years? And that modern Harvard neuroscience now proves this ritual physically rewires your brain for peace, focus, and happiness in just 4 weeks. Stay to the end because you'll learn the exact step-by-step process to transform your mornings and your entire life starting tomorrow. In this video, you'll discover the 5 steps of this powerful ritual, how each one affects your brain and energy, and how to start even if you've never meditated before. But first, why does this matter more than ever today? Tap like if you're ready to reclaim your mornings. And let's dive in. We live in the most distracted, anxious time in human history. The average person checks their phone 96 times a day. Most of us wake up and instantly flood our minds with emails, news, and social media before we even breathe. Meanwhile, Buddhist monks, especially in Tibet and Thailand, consistently show some of the highest levels of calm, focus, and life satisfaction ever recorded. So what's their secret? It starts with how they begin their day. Researchers at Harvard discovered that long-term meditators have physically thicker brain regions responsible for attention, decision-making, and emotional regulation. This means their brains are literally wired for inner peace. But here's the good news. You don't need to become a monk to get the benefits. You just need these 5 steps, practiced daily. The 5-step Buddhist morning ritual. Step 1. Sacred awakening. Before touching your phone, place both hands on your heart and take 3 deep, conscious breaths. This tells your nervous system, I choose peace. It begins your day with presence, not panic. Step 2. Gratitude grounding. Before your feet hit the floor, mentally list 3 things you're grateful for, including 1 challenge. Why a challenge? Because in Buddhism, suffering is the soil where wisdom grows. The lotus blooms from the mud. Step 3. Intention. Setting. Ask yourself, how do I want to feel today? Choose 1 word. Peaceful, focused, joyful. Let that emotion guide your actions. Monks believe our inner state shapes our outer reality. This is your emotional compass. Step 4. Mindful movement. Gently stretch your arms, roll your shoulders, and touch your toes. No rush, just flow. This reconnects the body and mind, awakening energy without the jolt of caffeine or stress. Step 5. Sacred silence. Sit in silence for just 2 to 3 minutes. Don't force your thoughts, just observe. Let your mind settle naturally. Neuroscientists call this a neural reset. It clears mental clutter before the day begins. Do these 5 steps daily and watch what happens. Week 1, you respond more, react less. Week 2, morning anxiety fades. And by week 4, your energy, focus, and emotional clarity noticeably shift. Even others will feel it, because your energy will radiate calm. Try this tomorrow. Don't wait. Don't overthink it. Just try. Comment below. What's the first thing you usually do when you wake up? Let's start a new morning movement. Together. The way you start your day shapes your entire life. These ancient monks discovered a profound truth. Peace isn't found. It's created, one morning at a time. Until next time, may you find peace in every breath.